the different programs for students within UW-Stout Research Services?
Well, we're fortunate to have many opportunities for students to do research and creative activity and to showcase their research and creative activity. A considerable number of professors include research papers or research projects in their course curriculum. You could search out, and students could search out and enroll in some of these courses. And our faculty researchers continue to write students into their grants. So there's opportunity here for students to do research and in many cases get paid for their research. We also maintain a list of these grants, so if students are interested in doing this, they can contact me and I can put them in touch with the principal investigator for the research. If you already have a particular project in mind, we will work with the students to identify a faculty member on campus who has the same research interests so that a mentor-advisor relationship can be established. Once a student has identified a project, there are dollars available through the Student Research Grant Fund. It's a competitive fund. There are dollars for students to conduct their research, and there's also dollars for students to disseminate their research. Information on the whole process, the application, deadlines, is available on the Research Services website. Opportunities to showcase your research, research in progress or research that's already completed, they abound here. We have UW-Stout Research Day that occurs in April. That's on our campus, and all students are invited to present a poster. We have the UW Symposium for undergraduate research and creative activity. That's at UW River Falls this year. That can be oral presentations or poster presentations. We have NCUR, that's the National Conference on Undergraduate Research. That will be in Montana at the University of Montana, Missoula. This year, we will be sending 8 students there. That information is available on the Research Services website also. And then we have posters in the Rotunda. This is an exciting day for our students to present research in the Capitol Rotunda while the legislature is in session. Now, travel cost, registration fees, these are in the past have been underwritten by the university, poster preparation fees included, so this is a great opportunity at minimal or no cost for students to present their research. We also publish the Journal of Research each year, and that is also published in the spring. It's an amazing opportunity for students to write about their research and to actually be published in a journal. It's a printed journal. The journal is put online, but it is a standalone printed edition, which looks great on a resume. Also, the experience of doing it is fantastic. The university was recently awarded the McNair Scholar Grant, and this grant provides opportunity for students in underrepresented areas, graduate areas, to get the resources, activities, and support to apply for and get accepted into a PhD program. If you're interested in this, there's information about that also on the Research Services website, or you could contact me directly. So that kind of gives you an overview, I think, of opportunities for students and what happens in the Research Services office.
Which programs are available to applied science students?
All of them are. Applied science students can participate in any of the activities I mentioned before. The only one that might have more eligibility is the McNair Scholar Program. It has specific criteria to be eligible for that.
What are some new things applied science students should do to get more involved with research at UW-Stout?
Well, if an applied science student is interested in research, you've come to the right place. To begin with, discuss with your instructors, discuss with your advisor, with students, with your faculty representatives, what your research interests are, you can contact me, you can contact the Research Services Office. We'll be happy to connect you with a faculty member who has your same research interest. If you're not quite sure what your research interest is, we can let you know professors that do have openings for positions as far as lab assistants or research assistants. And when I talk about research, I'm talking about creative activity also, because we want to be inclusive, and there's many opportunities to do research that relates to creative activities also. There's also a website that we've created. It's called the Melange, and you can access it on the Research Services webpage. It'll take you step by step through the whole process of finding an advisor, doing research, making sure that you are in compliance with all of the regulations that have to do with, say, research on human subjects. So I guess the main thing is look to the Research Services staff, look to your professors, look to your advisors, look to the website to find out where research opportunities might exist, and to get the help that you need to conduct your research.